Yes, excellent marks.
I'll say outstanding.
Yes, and the boss to some person here. So we teach our class. Na akwadaa no a wono de bia wo twa 100% 100% no. Sabi sa wo kwakwesa wono na wo de beko. Enti Ghana man pani person wo kire say e vice versa no ka kire ya na se ye ne yante na se ye. Misada me hwe no. Sa no man pani na dan ka kire ye say ne finance minister ya wono true covid era no nyina no wo lead yen captain or captain yen ya wo de ye twa apokoko no adenti na adodode abade a e wo se sideline no da bi wono an wo de ne ko to me ya tese se omu nyina abo adwuma nti omu nyina abo adwuma de a adwasafo so bo adwuma because adwasafo besna wono mo ye adwuma no so no so bo adwuma enti automatically no eniaman keten adwasafo kura de na ka wo se ye twa na suoja kura suoja na ka wo se ye ne to asuo na ja kura epupu obo asuo wo domi kwabenya na ka wo so dasu kache ba bi kura efi se na do dan kwakufu ado ho sade eniaman sikika ko no so person wo wi ni Ghana for heart ba e wo se wo take decision a ye bold na in life on so ade ba ko a de pa na se wo take decision se wo no wo yere kura tifie wo no wo batifie wo take a decision eya na edin papa
that is what makes you a leader,
but enye wo bia
that is what makes you unique. Share my first coup d'etat MPP for you book no mu say o man pani jo mama say ontumi take a decision. How many times I want to say MPP 40 ha omode no botia no kra say Magana phone to Obama no
because president here
or no to take a decision. And
yes,
good. So we are candy for now sembe toho. Now the wada na akwe to say mama mre I say meye menya the hope of the people is dwindled.
And no ne kikakui.
One make sure because for your 80 MPs to come and tell you say na ma we tranche. Is it say MPs no money say IMF for a negotiations? They know.
Yes.
They are in parliament for the 2022-2023 budget. And the woman say budget beba.
Yes.
Woman can Ofori Atta so soon a budget in what you want. And the other and on me catch them say man in tranche at this crucial moment. Yes. It means say they know say second tranche ya obi betima ye adwuma no.
But on say tamana on doctor.
But the president does not have that hope in almost everybody within the MPP except Ken.
Boss on say now on the doctor ye interview to see who push no question be na me reception na me bomb say ma opa. Say I say the omo ye no press conference I say o ma save yen democracy na say MPP party na free bibi mu ana e ho no one head that mouse straight answer but we dem say we hold the person training na because the na free from hoba no boss na nya de papa o. The name free mpasua hodo so eba concerning Ofori Atta no. One say compete me akansa no e form hoboko.
Say
abra obi
anka by the end of the month ka obo constituency by constituency press conferences party for year say omo ka kire nanando say enka nyakra.
Yes.
I don't know say whether they have intel, they have ears on the ground. Minim
omote.
So what?
Boss, omote
me ni
omote boss.
Yeah, because Jubilee House near free form but even within MPP, it shouldn't take the MPs to do a press conference. No, it shouldn't take them to do a press conference.
Omote.
They know the grounds are just not good.
Omunim.
Yeah, now
omunim.
The most what word should I use? The most tedious and difficult job what Ghana is here, MPP communicator.
Yes.
A Juma hire dim pa kese bako.
Yes.
Emma Gawa Ghana ha uye bia wo bre pa ye MPP communicator. Because all the trust here. Near the question near the same go apro so a. Ya wo de tie wo mo. The only thing I say Odoye smart no na NDC ni na akofom no aka bibi no agira ho no ahama ho because
he has nothing to say.
The only thing I want to my is to appeal to Ghanaians to exercise patience, exercise constraint, because it say adia no ya Barcelona efie
Ubi ahu.
hey udi any din say u defend it.
Emfa.
Omu bro.
Omu na emu di ombe kana de ne ma de se nyina.
Why ni?
Ye no ma si abronse.
Why ni?
Nya ne sa no na ye.
See out here.
Nya ne sa no na ye.
E come the obi a obetima kan confirm no cha cha o de o de abrosan ye. There be o ya oni ma bi ho when it becomes butter and bread. Ka kwan nyina Ghana for granted. Now there be a won kan sa se we. Nya wa na oka. Say Ghana ni se na numa no e de. Okaye.
Na the Ghana for nim se na dan kwaku for wa ye kwan.
Na the Ghana for nim se free SHS so.
Omu nim pa.
Ghana for nim se 2020. Yen sia na na do wo krom a. Any decisions so take here. Ka COVID mi ye nyina. So why are Ghanaians talking now?
Yes.
Why are they talking now? Because any may be try and they believe sir you can change the tide.
Yes.
You can. Uye bi brave you bet my ne. Jidia Ghana for na nadumo no. They are disappointed because now obi a ufi say ontumi bi a obi disappointed. Akose you bet my disappointed
Because we expect to be
more. Be should share free ho. And you know I will never be disappointed because when himself won't be get. But if somebody says he's disappointed, it means he expects and knows say you are capable.
Exactly.
But one yet. That is why the person will say, "Ma do who ya?" Because minimsa deal with my yam and abruso. My better hand up. That morning show. Do popo do me at time. Everyone say, "Aphobia, how am I in a din who ya?" They don't want to. Yes. I don't know what you do. You only say my yabru near me, no so. That's all. Ghanaians know Nanado can deliver. And this money for Bakum Yenubi a stumbling block for that delivery. That's the bottom line.
And before taking decision,
That is the bottom line.
Judge upon Paul Arentami Foko era no. Decision we take because some who say automatically also we need power. No who says uncle for no ideologies near idea. Omote kono sa ankofo no nka ho ntia wo se ampani ampa decision wo take ye no na Ghana fo bebre kura che se no obi amo no mo ko nka bo mu ko mu na mo no mo yi amanfo firi mu sa no Ghana fo kasa ya na nso so no
emwa we mu no Ghana fo omo kasa mo mienhwe omo yi now mawie quick response ne ya wie afi mo mienko ye main issue so na same omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Ababe Kasa Afa Ghana economy. No on the anything economy no me tini di pe na emisre. So I said the mati Elvis every year ankra me ti sa kwa we di pe na makai mi krom se kube ba ko ye ton ne sen. Samukai on the etim ko Brazil Ofori Ghana kube ne day. Every say free ankra under John Dramani Mahama NDC no. Ono nko atimi tuhu. No ko Brazil. No akwa